y'all, welcome back to the channel. Y'all, I have been doing YouTube for 3 years now. My mom also does YouTube as well. She hasn't been doing it as long as I have, but sometimes we just get together and be like, girl, like, is this really worth it? Am I gonna keep doing this? Talking about the real hard truths that big YouTube gurus, big creators are not gonna be honest about on YouTube. That is what I am breaking down today. I have 8. Okay, so if you're looking for some real YouTube advice, no cookie cutter, no sugarcoating about not just YouTube, but content creation, period, keep on watching. So we're not gonna waste any time. Number 8, y'all. Growth is very slow, okay? YouTube is very different from Instagram and TikTok, how you can grow followers so fast. You have to work a lot harder for subscribers, and you have to work a lot harder to be noticed by people that aren't already subscribed to you, if that makes sense. YouTube algorithm is very different from short form content apps. You most likely are not gonna experience the whole overnight sensation thing, okay? But I feel because we see it happen, we tend to think and hope that it's gonna happen to us. And us, I mean small creators. But I'm here to tell you, don't get your hopes up. Like I said, I've been doing YouTube 3 years and I still have not hit 1,000 subscribers. But growth is also slow depending on your niche. Mine is fashion, so because people have to be looking for something so specific to find my channel, like outfit inspiration, certain shoes, you know what I'm saying? That's why it's hard to grow. And then it's like gaming YouTubers that do it well are gonna grow faster than YouTubers that are fit based on gardening. And the downside about it is that a lot of the content creators that blew up out of nowhere, like gain thousands and thousands a week or 1 million in a month or something like that, they are going to leave out the fact that luck had a lot to do with the growth, okay? People that blow up out of nowhere are always like,
well, I posted at 7:09 p.m. every night. I posted 3 videos every single day.
That may be true, but that also may not be the reason that you blew up. That's why I hate when content creators come up with how to grow your YouTube in a month, how to gain 2 million subscribers in a week. It's false advertising, right? There is no science or true how-to on YouTube specifically. If that were true, if there was a science, if there was a real formula, everyone would have a huge audience. Everyone would have 1 million plus subscribers. But my point, don't let that instant gratification discourage or deter you from doing your content thing. Number 7, I'm gonna try not to make this one super long, but this is 100% the truth. Strangers will support you so much more than your family and friends. I did not believe this statement until I started doing YouTube. That is true, okay? I got people in my life that I call friends that are not subscribed to my channel, that don't watch my videos, they don't share my stuff on a story, stuff like that. And same with my family. I feel like my immediate family are some of my biggest supporters, like watch every single video, start to finish, loop videos. But I got a huge family outside of the immediate, and it's a lot of them that don't watch, subscribe, you know, etc. If every single cousin I had, every single auntie, uncle, family friend, close friend, you know what I'm saying, was subscribed to my YouTube, I know I would have 1,000 that I need. I know that for sure. When you blow up, that's when your people are gonna start subscribing, watching all your videos, sharing them. Oh, I know her, I went to school with her. People love to support people that have a big name already, okay? I don't know why it's like that, but it is. A lot of people won't have that same energy when you blow up. So that kind of leads me into number 6. That you really have to earn your subscribers. It's different on this platform than any other social media platform. One of my biggest pet peeves, right, is when I see new YouTubers make a channel. They ain't got no video, no nothing. They're like, subscribe to my channel. Videos coming soon. It's like, how are you asking people to subscribe to your channel and you have no content, no nothing? We don't know if we're gonna like what you put out. We don't know what your channel is going to be about. My point is, you have to earn subscribers. You cannot just expect people to subscribe to a blank channel. If you're just starting out YouTube, do not do that. Because chances are, what I also see a lot, people start a channel, ain't got no videos, no content. Subscribe to my channel, videos and vlogs coming soon. 6 months later, they ain't never put nothing up. That's just annoying. So it's like, if you have no real intention of putting actual work into it, don't sit up there and ask for subscribers. Like, it's pointless. But referring to my previous point, I had to learn the hard way that people are not going to subscribe to you just because they're your friend or just because they're your family. Like, even though your cousins should be subscribed to you just because that's your cousin, maybe they don't like what you talk about. And that's just the reality of it. People aren't going to subscribe to you just because you're cute. If my subscribers were off my beauty, I would be at 1 million. Like, period. But it's just, you have to earn subscribers. You have to give people a reason to subscribe to you and stick around. Number 5, y'all, YouTube specifically, it is all consuming. Okay, and I mean time consuming, life consuming, money consuming. It also depends on the niche with the money, but with me doing fashion, it's definitely money consuming because try on hauls, lookbooks and all that are what gets the most views. So at one point I found myself buying clothes, spending thousands of dollars on clothes just to try on YouTube, with not really intention of like keeping them in my wardrobe or whatever. And y'all, that adds up, like, for real. And for me to not be getting paid, no, I am not monetized on YouTube. I do not make a cent from YouTube. I do it because I love it, and I hope to get to that point of it being paid and it being my job or whatever, but right now I'm not. So all the clothes y'all see, I buy myself. All the shoes, accessories, bags, boots, sandals, heels, Jordans, all that is out of my own money. I had to get to a point where I had to stop doing try on hauls. It's not worth it. But in terms of life and time, doing YouTube well is literally gonna suck all of your time and life up if you let it. But I don't film on days I have to work because it will be impossible. So on my off days, y'all, I wake up, get cute or whatever. After that, it is all literally dedicated to YouTube. The day of filming doesn't usually include a brainstorming session. Okay, you got to come up with ideas, interesting ideas at that. I mean, depending on the state of my channel or the month ahead, I will spend hours just brainstorming, scripting out videos, putting looks together, all that. That's just one portion. Then you actually have to film. Try on hauls, lookbook, those type videos could easily take 2.5 hours to film. Then you have to edit the video. Editing could take 2 to 4 hours. Then there's also back end stuff you have to do. So uploading the video, promotion, making the thumbnail, search engine optimization tasks that you got to do to make sure it's algorithm friendly. All that takes more and more time. And then also what's consumed are your thoughts. Like, you gonna be sitting there laying down at night like, well, should I have recorded this earlier? Should I have said this a different way? Should I have put this shirt on with them jeans? Are the subscribers gonna like those outfits? Is this worth doing? Should I scrap the whole entire video? What should I record next week? What should I record next month? Oh my God, Halloween's coming up. Should I do a giveaway? What should I record my vlog? What should we do for Halloween? What we gonna do for Christmas? When is Thanksgiving? What should I do? That's what I mean by YouTube being all consuming, literally. Number 4 is playing on what I just said. You are overworked and severely overpaid. So everything I just described in that previous point, I'm doing 2 to 3 times a week for no money. If you take it seriously and you produce high quality content on a weekly basis, it is like a job. So my advice to that point would be, do it because you want to. Do it because you love it. If you're money motivated for YouTube, if you're doing it for a check, you are going to hate it. You're going to quit very early on. Number 3, y'all, thick skin is required for this business. Okay, I'm gonna say business and industry kind of interchangeably throughout the video, but the internet is people's favorite place to get out their body, say things they'll never say to anybody's face, and act ways they don't act in real life, because you can't fight over the internet. So me in particular, right, my audience is small enough right at this point, so I don't get a ton of rude, hateful comments, but when I do, I respond to them, okay, because my audience is small enough. I got time today. But I know once my audience grows, right, to the point where those kind of comments are going to increase, and that it would be stupid for me to respond to every single hateful comment, that's when I'll stop replying to them. But right now, Sally 234, I got time. I'm gonna go back and forth right now. My skin is a little thin, like some people wigs and some people bank accounts. So not really referring to myself, but to help others You know what I'm saying? Start getting some thick skin because people gonna hate, people gonna talk about you. So just prepare yourself. You know you're the type of person that can't handle hateful comments at all. Like if you gonna read comments like that and be depressed, sitting in the corner crying tears and all that because someone said you ugly, this ain't the industry for you, because people are going to do that, okay? All right, we've made it to the top 2. Okay, so number 2, YouTube is not very rewarding starting out, okay? So I've kind of touched on it just a little bit in previous points, but imagine spending in total about 6 hours on a video just to get 33 views. That's not rewarding at all. Like all that time I just put into that video for 33 people to see it, and then them 33 people not even watching the whole video. It's not rewarding. It's probably the hardest part of YouTube, is putting in so much work and you know you just put out a great video and for you not to get the results you want. So just to put into perspective, like I said, I've been doing YouTube over 3 years now. I just hit 750 subscribers. Like 750 subscribers in 3 years, that's kind of wild. I probably gain maybe 2 to 3 subscribers a week on average, outside of like one-off instances, like say if a video does really good or a short does really good and I gain a lot of subscribers in one sitting off one video. That happens sometimes. The most I've gained off one video is probably 90 subscribers came off one video. Monetization requires 4,000 watch hours. I'm 3 years in and I just hit over 1,000. I'm at like 1,100. 3 years, y'all. I've considered quitting, I would say probably once or twice, seriously, where I sat and was like, I'm going to stop doing this. But it's like, I can't. Like, it's become part of my life now. And I just, like I said, I love it. I love to edit, all that. So I don't see myself quitting YouTube anytime soon, even though it frustrates me how slow I grow. But I keep telling myself it just takes that one video, that one TikTok, that one short, whatever, to just blow up and I'll be good. All right, y'all, and the number one hard truth that a lot of people ain't gonna tell you about being a YouTuber is that everyone does not have the it factor that's needed for this industry, okay? Like, you have to be interesting to watch. You have to have something relevant to say. You have to be intriguing. You have to be joyous to watch. You have to have an infectious personality to get people to watch your videos. Not only watch, but continue to watch videos you put out in the future. And it is what it is. Like, that's just the truth. If you're a monotone, boring, you talk like this all day, and you're not talking about nothing interesting or relevant, you just sitting there like this, like, don't nobody want to watch that, child. And it's the truth. Don't nobody want to watch that. If you don't put any effort into your appearance, what you look like on camera, if you're very lackluster at editing a video, like, it's 2023, nobody watching an unedited video, okay? Your audience will not stick around for that. The truth is that everyone is not interested to watch. I'm sorry, okay? Somebody got to tell you. Everybody don't have it. You don't want to hear songs from people that can't sing, correct? And that's just the number one hard truth that I feel no one is going to tell you, okay? I'm not going to sit up here and lie and tell you everyone can blow up. Everyone has what it takes to be a YouTuber. That's a lie. Everyone does not have it. All right, y'all, those were my 8 hard truths about being a YouTuber. I hope you all enjoyed. I hope it was useful. I hope you take this information and apply it to your YouTube journey that's coming up, one that you're already partaking in, whatever. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Comment something else if you want. Like if you liked it. Definitely subscribe though. And I'll see y'all in the next one.
I would be so ahead if we're keeping scores.